ऑफिस.
व्हॉट आर यू क्वेश्चनिंग? आर यू क्वेश्चनिंग ती त्या दिसाक ती जी बातमी आयली जातून भितर तुमचेर एलिगेशन जालें की यू सपोर्टेड अँड प्रमोटेड इलिगल मायनिंग म्हणून.
हय.
आर यू क्वेश्चनिंग द टायमिंग ऑफ द न्यूज or are you questioning the authenticity of the news?
I am questioning the timing of the news because that was done to malign me on that day. Not a member raised the issue.
But you stand by your support to Balchandra Naik.
It's not a question of
mining project.
No, it's not the question of my supporting it. Mr. Balchandra Naik got all clearances. Mr. Balchandra Naik got a license from the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. Mr. Balchandra Naik got a Supreme Court order that he should apply and should be considered under due process of law. Mr. Balchandra Naik got a letter written by the Director of Mines to the central government that it should be given. Only then when he pleaded with me to help him that there is a political influence where he claimed that there is extortion by writing a letter of objection by influential person, not a common person, not a common man, as argued in that bail court. It's not. ताजे हे केलं म्हणून हांवें सोनिया गांधीक ताणें लेटर दिल्लें आपल्याचें प्रॉब्लम सांगून सोनिया गांधीक लेटर दिल्लें तें डिस्कशन जाल्लें ताचे कडेन आनी सोनिया गांधी कडेन.
पण तुमकां दिसना की ताणें जेन्ना काँग्रेस हावसान बसून लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनाचेर एलिगेशन्स केली इट वॉज रॉंग.
It was very wrong. I have denied that in press release immediately the same evening that तेन्ना सांगलेलें तांकां हांवें हाडलेले डॉक्युमेंट दाखोवपाक कि John Fernandez as an ex-MP and party president is not involved in recommending any illegal mining. Those documents were shown. Those documents are clear. थाणे मागीर तें एलिगेशन केलें तें ताजें थंय करूंक उपकार नासलें हांवें बंद केलें ताका करपाचें तें तुमची प्रेस म्हणपा लागलें ना ताका उलोवपा दी म्हणून म्हणटकच आय हॅव डिसओन दॅट पार्ट ऑफ इट बिकॉज आय एम नॉट सो स्टुपीड टू मेक दोज एलिगेशन इन माय ऑफिस. My work was limited, which I have told to Mr. Digvijay Singh. सजमले आनी म्हाजें आनी तांचें वायट आसप म्हणप बरोबर न्हय. राणे बाब गोंय CM आसले CBIचो कन्सेंट काडलेलो गोंयान CBI गोंयान हांवें हाडलेली राजीव गांधीक लेटर बरोवन. सोनिया गांधी वॉज द CCP लीडर काँग्रेस पार्टी इन पार्लमेंट हो इशू हांवें पार्लमेंटान घेतलेलो. CBI इज अ सेंट्रल मॅटर. सोनिया गांधीन म्हाका परमिशन दिल्लें. So am I working against my party? No. I am working against illegality and improprieties in the party, which I got a permission. I filed a breach of privilege on this matter on Prime Minister I.K. Gujral in Parliament.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा तुमच्या आनी प्रताप सिंग राणेचे भितर जे
No. Personally, I have no. They don't show that I have anything against him. I have against corruption and illegalities. I don't see who is the person coming in the way. I don't mind. Because I don't have a big leader and small leader. And I don't want to have anybody senior most. The senior most in the party is me. I have not come from MG party and United Goans party and BJP party in the Congress. I am the senior most leader. And I have no dispute with anybody. But
isn't it a fact that तुमचे आनी राणे बाबा मदीं एक सुद्दां ताजे उपरांत असो डायलॉग किंवा मिटींग जालना कन्फ्युजन क्लियर जावपाक जाय.
ना बरोबर म्हाकडे कन्फ्युजन ना हांवें केलां हांवें तेजेर चार्ज करूं ना. राणे बाबा म्हाका मेवले की एंथनी कमिटी कडेन गेले उलयले आमी दोगूय कांय विचारूं ना ताका म्हाका कितें सांगपाक जाय ताका वचून हांवें कितें वायट केलां म्हणून तांचेर. म्हजो स्टेटमेंट आसा रिटन स्टेटमेंट that I distance myself of that financial allegation. It is for Mr. Balchandra Naik to prove it. And I think he has given evidence after the bail. The evidence was not given to the SIT before the bail because that he did not want that document to go out to the bail court. He has given it outside. There are evidences.
So तुम्ही म्हणतात की जो ब्रायबरीचो चार्ज आसा ताजो concrete evidence after Rane's got anticipatory bail has been submitted to the police.
That is what Balchandra Naik and his lawyer has informed me. Because if you are a good lawyer, you will not throw all your trump cards on the table at the first. ते तर भायर गेल्ले ते डॉक्युमेंटाचे before the bail court, then the opponent would have got those documents in hand and then there would have been attempts to pressurize. म्हाका सांगलें ते प्रमाणे ताज्या लॉयरान ताणी त्या नंतर डॉक्युमेंट दिल्या सिटा कडेन.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात इन दॅट सिनारियो are you comfortable with a leader of opposition who are facing so many charges?
I have nothing to do with it. I have said it. If anybody is corrupt and anybody is involved in any illegalities, let them face the music. Party will distance from them. We are not there to support them. They have not done anything with our consent. I am still in my house, which is rented out. Congress has nothing. They have taken lot of apartments and premises in the name of the Congress. For example, the district. But now they are claiming it is theirs. So party will take legal action. म्हणटकच काँग्रेसीक कांयच दिवं ना आनी काँग्रेसीक कांयच मेळूं ना. बीजेपीन एका वर्सान तांच्या स्वताचो जागो घेतलो ऑफिसाक. आमी आजून भाड्याच्या फ्लॅटान आसा, बिल्डिंगान आसा. सो काँग्रेस हॅज नॉट गेन एनीथिंग. इफ एट ऑल देर वॉज करप्शन, दे हॅड मेड मनी, इट इज फॉर देम, लेट देम फेस द म्युझिक.
ओके. अशें म्हणटात की तुमी जे MLAs नात आनी जाणी इलेक्शना टायमार पार्टी खातीर एक तर काम केलें ना किंवा पार्टीच्या अगेन्स्ट काम केलें, असले हांचेर तुमी एक्शन घेतात. पूण जे MLAंनी सेम गजाल केली इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार, एक तर तांणी BJP बरोबर सेटिंग केलें किंवा पार्टीच्या अगेन्स्ट काम केलें, तांचेर तुमी कांय एक्शन घेना.
म्हाका CLP लिडरान कंप्लेन दिवपाचें. आय एम हेडिंग द डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन कमिटी. He is the leader. Let him give me a complaint that action is to be taken on his members. I will take it.
You will take it.
Certainly.
But you will not take a suo moto cognizance of all the information
Suo moto,
that you have got.
I can take.
For example, let's take Mawin Gudino's example.
So
you need CLP leader to
if I
give you a
take suo
complaint.
moto action, then that CLP will be disintegrated. So it is for the leader of the opposition or the CLP leader to advise me and to guide me as to what I should do. If he wants me to take action against his member, which member he cannot discipline, then I can discipline them.
So till the time Mr. Pratap Singh Rane complains about Mawin Gudino, you are not going to take action.
No, taking action I can take it. But what happens is that law has a flaw. That law has a flaw. Anti-defection law has a flaw vis-a-vis this matter. It makes a member to defy party discipline to join the opposition. Because unless that loophole is removed from the law.
So you don't want to give that advantage to your MLAs.
ते repeatedly आम्ही म्हटलं, माझ्या स्पोक्सपर्सनांनी सांगला, that advantage we should not give them. So there should be a law amendment in the law that such people should not be permitted to side with those people.
Last two questions. एक तुम्ही स्वतःच्या कॅन्डिडेटाचेर सुद्धा शोकॉज नोटीस काढली, रवी बाबाचेर. Why did you feel that एटलीस्ट तांचेर जर तुमचे स्वता कॅन्डिडेट आशिल्ले तांकांच तुम्ही शोकॉज नोटीस दिवपाची?
रवी बाबान ताजें इलेक्शन जावन प्रायम मिनिस्टराचेर चार्ज केली. डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंग प्रायम मिनिस्टर जातलो. ताणें ताचेर चार्ज केली. ताका लागून ताणें कांय करूं ना म्हणून आपूण पडलो म्हणून आनी काँग्रेस हरली म्हणून हो मॅटर गेलें दिल्ली AICC ऑफिसान. दिग्विजय सिंग बाबान सांगलें म्हाका, हो ताणें स्टेटमेंट केला तो बरोबर न्हू, ताका शोकॉज नोटीस दी म्हणून. हायकमांडान सांगलें म्हाका. रवी बाबानी म्हाका कडेन म्हजें कांय वायट जाल्लें ना. इलेक्शन त्या हातून जावना ती दुसरी चार्ज. पण रवी बाबाक शोकॉज दी म्हणून, नोटीस दी म्हणून म्हाका दिग्विजय सिंग जनरल सेक्रेटरीन सांगलें. कित्याक ताणें प्रायम मिनिस्टराचेर स्टेटमेंट केलो आनी जेन्ना ताणें स्टेटमेंट केल्लो, डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंग बाब प्रायम मिनिस्टर आसलो ह्या देशाचो. When a party man makes a statement against a prime minister in the press, you cannot get scot free. You may be anybody. You may be a candidate, you may be a CM. You cannot get.
बरं, म्हाका लास्ट गजाल सांगात. हे जे सिटींग MLAs आसा तुमचे, जसं तुम्ही सांगले की कायद्या प्रमाणे जर तुम्ही तांकां सस्पेंड केले जाल्यार वेल्यान तांकां फायदो जाता.
हय.
सो एक गजाल जंय पार्टी स्टँड घेवपाक शकता ती परत जेन्ना तिकीट दिवपाचो प्रश्न येतलो तेन्ना
तें डिसिजन घेतलां आमी. म्हटलां बसून थंय तुमी कॅन्डिडेट आसता, आमचे कडेन यो कॅन्डिडेट, तुमकां तिकेट मेळचें आनी तुमकां पार्टी मिटिंगेक आपोवचें.
आतां जे सिटींग
डिसिजन घेतलां आमी.
आतां जे सिटींग MLAs आसा तुमचे, तातले कितले जाणांक परत तिकीट मेळपाक शकता? आय एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू द नेम्स.
द तिकेट
9वांतले कितले जाणांक तिकीट मेळपाक शकता, कितले जाणांक मेळपाक शकना?
फाटीं आमचे कडेन एकूच MP आसलो गोंयान, ताका मेळूं ना. एकूच 100% MP did not get the tickets. So in Goa म्हजी अपॉइंटमेंट जावन हांवें सांगलां, henceforth congressmen have to be careful in Goa. Sitting MLAs and MPs may not get a ticket. आता कितले घेतले, कितले काम करता ते लोक जाणा, तुमी जाणा.
म्हाका एकच गजाल जाय. आतां 9 जाण आसात न्ही तुमचे, त्या 9 जाणांतले आय एम नॉट आस्किंग यू नेम्स. इन युअर असेसमेंट हाऊ मेनी आर एलिजिबल टू गेट दी टिकीट्स अगेन And how many are not?
All
eligible?
constituencies where there are MLAs or no MLAs, our preparation for alternate candidate is on. We have 2 or 3 candidates in those constituencies also who are interested in fighting the election. At appropriate time, the High Command, the election committee will take a decision. I am heading the election committee of Goa. So when we take a decision, it will go to High Command. That's
Nobody should be assured of the ticket, including sitting MLAs.
Mr. Sardinia was never assured. Though he was a sitting MP, even at the 11th hour, he thought he was an MP. Even when on the 11th, we had a meeting at Loya Maidan, he was assured that he would be MP. But disappointment may come at the last moment.
लास्ट गजाल सांगात म्हाका फुडल्या 1 वर्सा भितर किंवा 1.5 वर्सा भितर what is the face of Congress that you want to put in front of the people of Goa?
I want to put a young, dynamic, energetic and clean party, Congress party, with a new aspiration for the people of Goa. That is what people of Goa deserves now, after so many years of mess, political mess across the political parties.
Clean,
It may be MG, it may be BJP, it may be a Congress.
clean,
I am going to
young,
set an example.
credible.
Credible.
या 3 गजांचेर तुम्ही हे कर.
And acceptable by the people. Let the new leadership come. Let the people deserves it because they have suffered for too long in Goa. तुम्ही सेंट्रल हॉल पार्लियामेंट वचून पळया, हाँ गोवा का आदमी आ गया, आयाराम गयाराम. This is the name Goa got it politically on the national canvas. That Goans are habitual defectors. That we have to stop. Not only Congress, the people of Goa have to.
And you don't mind if all these guys come together, form a lobby and dislodge you from the chair.
I give them that challenge. I will do my work. I am not scared of those challenge of dislodging. I don't care. I am not here to stay. But as long as I am in the chair, I will do my work as a congressman.
And you won't change your ways.
There is no question of my changing. My ways are Congress ways. I have said
They need to
repeatedly.
change the ways.
I said repeatedly, I draw my strength from my constitution and my Congress leadership high command who directs me. Digvijay Singh told me 4 names you have recommended for disciplinary action. Now go ahead at your level, take action.
म्हाका दिसता हाजेर आमी थांबतात. म्हणजे खूब क्लियरली जॉन बाबान सदां भशेन कांय गजाली मांडल्यात आनी खूब क्लियर मेसेजीस सगळ्या खातीर दिल्यात. तुमी आयले इतली सगळं बोवाळ जालां आसतना आमकां इंटरव्यूला जॉन बाब थँक्स लॉट. इट वॉज प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू.